Imagine flying over the ocean on a sunny day. Suddenly, your compass starts spinning wild. The radio goes dead, and then you vanish. This is the Bermuda Triangle, a mysterious patch of ocean between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. The legend began in 1945 with Flight 19. 5 U.S. Navy bombers took off for a routine training mission. They reported strange lights and white water. Then they disappeared forever. Even the rescue plane sent to find them never came back. It's not just planes. Even massive steel ships have evaporated here without a trace. Take the USS Cyclops, a 500-foot-long beast of a ship carrying 300 men. In 1918, it entered the Triangle and was never seen again. No SOS call, no wreckage, no bodies. It was as if the ocean just opened its mouth and swallowed them whole. How does a massive steel fortress just disappear? Did they face a storm, or was it something unnatural?
For decades, people blamed aliens or Atlantis, but modern science has a terrifying explanation: rogue waves. These are massive walls of water, reaching up to 100 feet high. They appear out of nowhere in stormy seas. In the Bermuda Triangle, storms from 3 different directions can collide. Scientists believe these monster waves can snap a massive ship in half instantly. It happens so fast that there is no time to send an SOS. The ship is crushed before the crew even wakes up.
But what about the planes? The answer might lie deep underwater. The seafloor here is rich in methane hydrates. Some scientists propose that massive gas explosions can release giant bubbles of methane. When these bubbles reach the surface, they lower the density of the water. A ship sitting on top would suddenly lose its buoyancy and sink like a rock. And if enough gas rises into the air, it could choke an airplane engine and cause it to fall from the sky. So, is it really a cursed zone, or just bad luck? The truth is surprising. The Bermuda Triangle is one of the busiest shipping lanes in the world. Thousands of planes and ships pass through here every day, safely. Statistically, the number of accidents here is no higher than any other part of the ocean. The real mystery isn't aliens or ghosts, it's the power of human storytelling. We love a good mystery, even if the answer is just heavy traffic and bad